For the past few days, I've been spending more time thinking about videos than actually making them. Every idea felt wrong and every script felt boring, so I decided to do something. Instead of thinking about the best idea, I went with the first idea that came to mind: match cuts. So I opened my notes and started writing down the script for my video. At that point, it was time to actually make it. I placed my camera on a tripod. The key was to keep it steady. I set up my light, I started recording, and then I began swapping subjects inside the frame, so each shot felt connected to the next. Then I opened my editing software and brought the clips into the timeline. I cut out everything I didn't need, like the moments where my hands were changing the subjects, and I attached my videos together. At this point, I already had a match cut, but to make it more cinematic, I added music, sound effect for transitions, and finally a color grading. So this is the most easiest way to do a simple match cut, and I think I'm gonna come back with more videos in this channel. I hope you enjoy this video, and that's it.